Hi, second graders, Miss Paige here. So what we have here are video lessons. We are just trying to give you guys the opportunity to still participate in the Too Good for Drugs program. So today it's just going to be a review of the lessons that we completed before school got shut down. So we're going to do lessons 1 through 4, and then next week we're going to pick up with lesson 5. So here I have my laptop. It was originally supposed to go on the screen behind me, but we had some technical difficulties, but that's okay. So we're gonna work with what we have today. All right, let's start. All right, y'all remember lesson 1, we did dreams come true, goal setting, and then we went through the steps of goal setting. So if you will look in your book, if you remember on page 1, go for your goal. So right here, we just listed the steps on how to achieve a goal. So step 1 will be name the goal you want to achieve. You first need to name a goal, what you want to achieve. And then you picture yourself reaching the goal. Third one is say I can. If you don't see yourself doing the goal, how do you expect to reach it? So we have to say, yes, I can reach this goal. 4 is think how to do it. How am I going to put forth the effort to reach my goal that I want to achieve? 5, go for it. Go for your goal. You got to work those steps. You got to go for your goal in order to achieve it. And then 6, when you accomplish your goal and you've achieved your goal, you tell yourself, good job, because you worked to get there. All right. Lesson 2, stop and think. Remember we talked about consequences and then we had our friend Wagner on page 2. We were looking at some consequences that Wagner would have had if he did certain things. Y'all remember this? So what is a consequence? A consequence is what happens next after you decide to do something, whether it's good or whether it's bad. A consequence isn't always bad. A consequence is good. Like, what is a consequence for making good grades on your report card? Your parents may give you money. They may take you out for ice cream. But also, what is the consequence for making not so good grades on your report card? You might not get that money. Some might be on punishment. But we're going to work to achieve that goal of making better grades the next time. All right, so every decision has consequences. Good decisions have good consequences, and bad decisions have bad consequences, like we just talked about. Before we act, it's important to stop and think about what the consequences of our decisions will be. So if I do this thing, would that result in a good or would that result in a bad consequence? So you have to stop and think before you make a decision. All right, lesson 3, dealing with frustration. I think this was y'all favorite one because remember I had y'all cut out these methods on how to handle your frustration. I told you guys, keep them in your pocket throughout the day. And when you feel frustrated, take them out and pick a method on which one will work best for you. Would it be counting to 10? Would it be taking a break? Would it be say how you feel, talk to somebody, ask for help? So we know that frustration is sad, mad, or afraid kind of feeling that you get when you want to do something, but you are having trouble doing it. Like a math problem. If you're having frustration completing a math problem, which one of these 6 ways to handle frustration would you pick? I would say first I would count to 10. And then you might want to take a break, just to get your mind together. You might want to ask for help or try another way to do it. So remember, the activity we cut out in class, remember, we kept these in our pockets. And I asked you guys to Pick one throughout your day on how to handle your frustration. So I hope you guys still have those. And I hope you're still using them. You can use them around the house. So I hope you guys benefit from that activity. All right, lesson 4. This is saying how we feel. This is the last lesson that we stopped at. What is the feeling? What is the happy feeling? You're smiling. You're smiling. When you're sad, you slump your shoulders on and you frown. When you are angry, you might make a fist or you might scowl at somebody. Or when you're afraid, your eyes widen, or you might lean away from somebody. So remember that we worked on iMessages. And what are iMessages? iMessages are saying how we feel in a positive way by using I feel. So we can say, I feel sad because I won't be able to see my friends at school for the rest of the year because school is closed. Or I feel proud that I make good grades in school and make honor roll. Or I feel angry when I make bad grades and I get on punishment. Or I feel happy when I have ice cream after my dinner. So if you guys remember, we did a activity. Y'all remember this treasure chest? So what I had you guys do is cut out some iMessages and some not iMessages to kind of give you a feeling on what is an iMessage and what is not an iMessage. So you say an iMessage begins with I feel. I feel. So when you are feeling, whether it's sad, happy, angry, or afraid, a positive way to express your feelings is by starting out with I feel and then your emotion. So that was lesson 4. That's the last lesson that we stopped off of. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I just want to ask you guys to do us a favor. We're just trying to get a feeling and see who's actually participating and watching the video lesson. So we asked you to comment your first name under this video, and you can express anything else. You can express how you feel, how was this video, or say, hey, we missed you. Anything positive that you want to express under your name, you can. So we hope you guys are safe, healthy, and washing those hands and staying at home. So we hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.